perimeter. 908, that's the perimeter. On the east side, I'm the calm storm. Guess I'm something like a limiter. Yeah, I'm something like a limiter. She too much, I got a limiter. While me and bro in the back, yeah, sipping goose, no Canada. Sipping goose, no Canada. Sipping goose, no Canada. I'm the truth, let me show the proof. Looking super clean, no janitor. Super clean, no.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Stevie D with GSG Reviews. I want to shout out my alpha generals, generalettes, alpha male and alpha females in the building. You heard. Now, I know y'all see the ugly Christmas sweater. I'm in the spirit. Merry Christmas from me and mine to you and yours. What I got here for y'all today is a presentation sponsored by or collaborated by Drip Talk. You feel me? Now, before we get on to the video, I just want to throw a couple of facts out there, you know what I mean? Today's video is about moissanite diamonds, or just moissanite, you know what I mean? The difference between moissanite and a real diamond is, as we know, real diamonds are made from the earth, and in most cases, more than none, they're rare, you know what I mean? But moissanite, on the other hand, or moissanite, aka moissanite diamonds, are made in a lab. But don't let these companies trick you. Sometimes they'll trick you and say lab diamonds, and they're just CZs. So I implore you to do your research. I will have future videos doing a comparison on my opinions and on the facts that I found out. You know what I mean? So without any more, you know what I mean, hesitation, as I'm stalling, I guess, you know what I mean? Let's get to the video. So let's get right to it. Like I said in the intro, what I got here for y'all today is some earrings by none other than Drip Talk. You feel me? You know what I mean? Now, these are a big deal. I'm excited to present these, not only because they're from Drip Talk, but not only that, because they're moissanite diamonds. These will be my first pair, you know what I mean? And let's just get this out the way, fellas and ladies and alpha males and females, you know what I mean? For y'all diamond connoisseurs or diamond intellectualists or whatever y'all want to be called, say it with me. 1, 2, 3. Who cares? But with these, you can't necessarily call them fake, because with moissanite diamonds, you know what I mean? They shine like them. You know what I mean? They're called moissanite diamonds, or just moissanite. You know what I mean? They're I don't want to say they're lower grade than a regular diamond, but they just are on par. You feel me? And they passing diamond testers, even expensive diamond testers, if you get what I'm saying. But this right here, what I got from y'all, is from Drip Talk. Like I said, Drip Talk. And let's see what he's hitting for. You know what I mean? This is brought to you by Drip Talk and sponsored by Drip Talk. So let's see what he's doing. Look at the presentation. This is the box. You know what I mean? This is the box it came in. And their earrings. That's why it's smaller than the rest of his boxes. You know what I mean? And bow. Now, the light I got doesn't do it any justice. You know what I mean? But if you could look in, they come with a focus light. You know what I mean? To give you that good old shine. And that's a step up for a new company. You know what I mean? You don't expect a new company to come out with that good old, you know what I mean, will you marry me light to make them diamonds shine like crazy. Now, I know what y'all want to know. Hey, yo, Stevie D, them things look crazy. How much is those things right here? I'll be happily to present to you guys the moissanite Drip Talk earrings are only $100. Yeah, you heard it. $100. You feel me? You can't beat that. And from what I know about moissanite diamonds, you know what I'm saying? That is on the lower end of the spectrum as far as price. As far as I know. You can take my word for it or do the research yourself. You know what I mean? I'm only reviewing and presenting. But good looking, Drip Talk. You know what I mean? $100 for moissanite earrings? You cannot beat that. That's either better than the competition or just as good, but whatever the case may be, you know what I mean? It gives them a great footing off to a nice start. You feel me? Now let's get a look at these things. There's no plastic for me to take off, so you already know plastic be the ops. You know what I mean? Look at these things. Maybe I might need to turn down my light a little bit so y'all could get a better focus. But these things are hitting, boy. These things are hitting. I wish he had a ring with this kind of rock on it, because that would go crazy. Things are beautiful. And then it comes with that good old light. So like I said, my light is not doing it any justice. But if you saw this in the dark, and if you wanted to give it to your girl or anybody as a gift, or your man as a gift, this presentation right here, man, does not look cheap at all. Look at the box, man. Nice little, you know what I mean? Suede little, you know what I mean? With a nice little focus light to focus on that shine. Like, I know my light is kind of outshining it, but if you saw this in the dark, somebody presented to you and, you know what I mean, more of a dim lighting, that light right there speaks for itself. Good looking drip talk, great presentation from your boy Stevie D at GSG Reviews. Now, outside the price being outstanding and amazing, $100, as I repeated, these are 925 sterling silver on top of that. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Y'all cannot beat that. You feel me? $100 for moissanite earrings. Look up moissanite. I'm asking all my audience to look up moissanite diamonds. Do your research. But for the price he's selling, these are not bad at all. And look how big they are. You feel me? They look like boogers as the down south brothers say. You know what I mean? They big like boogers. This thing is crazy, boy. You know what I mean? This thing looks crazy. Now, before we get to the feature presentation that I know y'all want to know, let's do a good old shine test. Look at that. Look at that right there. Look at that. Look at that. They sparkle, brother. And this is little to no lighting. Look at that. Amazing. $100 from Drip Talk Jewelry with that good old presentation, man. You want to, you know what I mean? You want to propose to your wife with this kind of thing right here. And she be like, oh, snap, Stevie D, you about to get married to me? Nah, shorty, it ain't that time yet. But you know what I mean? I got you some good old earrings to compensate. So we ready. You feel me? That right there. Let's put that down. Let's let its own light shine on itself. You know what I mean? Take a look at them. Now, what I'm doing for y'all here, because they always say, yo, moissanite diamonds be passing the diamond tester. As I said in the beginning, already got it queued up. You feel me? Let's knock it down a few notches. We got it down to 2. You know what I mean? Let's see how this goes. Those things are hitting, boy. Try it again. They hitting. Sorry for my sliding hands, but we will try it again. And I'm not hitting any metal. These things are too big to hit the metal. So if you hitting metal with these things, you just frauding. But look at that. They passed in a diamond tester. You feel me? Moissanite diamonds. You feel me? For $100, you cannot beat that. Now, let's take it out the packaging. You know what I mean? I got sliding hands, so forgive my sliding hands. Look at that. Even outside of the box, they hitting for something. You feel me? So you can't knock that. You can't beat that. At $100, moissanite diamonds shining the way they shine. Sorry for the gloves, you know what I mean? The gloves be mistreating me, although I miss that they back. You feel me? What's up, fellas? But like I said, man, if you wanted to get a gift for your girl or your man, alpha generals, alpha generalettes, alpha females, and alpha males, you know what I mean? This is a perfect gift for anybody. Your mother, your brother, your sister, your lover. You feel me? Now, head up to Drip Talk Jewelry. He has a coupon code, DRIPSOLDIER15. That'll be down in my link in the description. Hit up that good old driptalkjewelry.com. You know what I mean? And he got the presentation of his moissanite earrings. Check them out. $100, 925 sterling silver. Look at them one more time. 1, 2, 3. I'm out.